Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm gonna share you some tips on how to win on Omoggle. First of all, if you would like to win on Omoggle, you're gonna have to face forward because the level of camera matters. So what you have to do is you have to simply put your webcam directly at eye level, possibly 3 feet away because looking down hides your jawline and looking up might distort your facial shape. And also the lighting matters. So place a light in front of your face and make sure that there is no shadow. And third is moving your tongue. Flatten your entire tongue against the roof of your mouth, which is also called mewing. This immediately tightens shagging skin under your chin for better jawline. And likewise, you also have to slightly narrow your eyes. It stimulates a compact, aggressive, and highly rated eye shape. And likewise, you're going to have to freeze completely. Sit perfectly still and stare straight ahead during the scan. Moments blur the video frame, which can also lower your symmetry score. And lastly, never quit the matches. Skipping matches trigger an automatic penalty that will cost you 7 ELO points. So guys, these are the strategy you can try to win. Thank you for watching.